So for your instructions on this assignment, it says use a timer and count how many jumping jacks you can do in the amount of time given. So if you look at your table here, look at the table right here, it says time in seconds. So for 5 seconds, you're going to do jumping jacks for 5 seconds. Use a timer. And then record how many jumping jacks you can do. So for instance, if I can do 1 jumping jack in 5 seconds, I'm going to put 1 in the column that says number of jumping jacks. Then you're going to go 10 seconds and see how many jumping jacks you can do. If you can do 5 jumping jacks in 10 seconds, you're going to place 5 in the number of jumping jacks section. Now, time in seconds is your X, the number of jumping jacks is your Y. And if you look at your X axis here, it says time in seconds, and your Y axis says number of jumping jacks. What you're going to do is you're going to plot that on your scatter plot. So for 5 seconds, let me find 5 seconds on my graph, I did 1 jumping jack. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the dots and you're going to click and drag them to where you think the dot will go. And you see, there goes my first dot. Okay, let's go to next time for 10 seconds. For 10 seconds here, I did 5 jumping jacks. So I'm going to go to 10 seconds on the X column, and I'm going to place my point right where it says 5 jumping jacks. So let me take my dot, click and drag it, and there you go. Okay, and so forth. Now, if you mess up, you can always go back and you can press the undo button in the upper left-hand corner, undo, and it'll take your dot away. Or if you want to go back and redo it, it'll put your dot back. But just make sure you click and drag it, and that's it. You don't need to click the sides or anything. Just click and drag the dots to the correct points on the graph. After you're done, you will submit this to me, okay? So if there are any questions, please let me know.